In front of me is VIVO V50 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Users and Accounts. Now click on Google. Select Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, just click Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!